on. And the best thing to do is join their group where they're trading and making money. Sure they are. As Josh is preaching about a good buy at 54,000 Bitcoin. He's going to go on long, trying to convince you guys that he knows what he's doing. Don't fall for it. Don't go in their groups. They know nothing like the rest of us. What I do know is we have hit the bottom of the top. I don't know. No, we have not. No news is good news for crypto right now. So, good news that would have been bad news for the economy, which would have been good for crypto a couple months ago, is now, reversed and bad for us, as I've said on some of these. There's no fucking signal here. I don't even know what you guys heard and didn't hear. So if it keeps blocking out, that off sooner than I thought. Not sure if this came. We'll be buying. I am hoping that Bitcoin does go through 50K and gets into the 40s. I'd love to see it at low 40s. I'd never feel that way, but I will buy $1 million worth at 40K, 42K, 43K, not a problem. Because that'll be an easy, I have to change my, readjust my thinking on the market here. There's just no liquidity. There's nothing here. There's no retail. No good news. No bad news. Nothing moves the market up. Interest rates this month probably will spook the market, as I've been saying. So we're in a death spiral, have been. If you do not have the money to burn, do not put it in the market, period. Wait on the sidelines, turn off the channel, turn me off, turn everyone off. They have nothing to tell you. I'm just on here to preach a little truth as I see it. Nobody knows what they're talking about. If you want to hurt yourself, listen to crypto guys. Listen to even the financial guys who are out of crypto. So they don't know what the fuck they're talking about either. They betting on, won't be on CNBC. They'd be, with prostitutes in Brazil. Nobody knows where the markets are going. Even Warren Buffett. Only person who knows is Nancy Pelosi. So definitely time to accumulate, but there's not a bull market around the corner anytime soon. This fall not happening. I'm still hearing these guys saying October, September is a bad month always. It has nothing to do with history. September, bad month, has nothing to do with history. Look at where we're at in the economy. It has nothing. There's no pattern to any of this. There's a pattern to cyclical matters in the world. But there's no pattern that says September is bad for crypto. It's stupid. Crypto is an on-risk asset. People are getting off risk. It is not decoupled from stock market. So that's where you're at. Don't fall for that hedge. The only hedge there is Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's still extremely risky, but so are stocks. Now's the time to be loading into your 401k, as I've been preaching. I've been doing for 6 years, and my returns have been astronomical. Even in the 401ks that for my old company that I haven't touched in 8 years is up over 100k. 100k, and I have not put a penny into it. Can you say the same about your crypto? No. Hey, Skull Brother. Hey. My connection here is pretty weak, so I'm going to jump off quickly. I just, stay on the sidelines. You know that. No reason to get into any of this shit. I will DCA into some things. I want to buy more Avalanche. I don't know where it's at right now. I just saw Bitcoin get killed. I'm going to buy more Avalanche around $20 or so. I'll buy another $2,000 worth, and then I'm good on it. But I've been waiting for it. Got up to $27. I'm like, should I jump in more? Because I'm in at $20. I knew it would come back down, so I'm just waiting. So now is the time to just keep collecting money. If you're scared, don't get into the market. If this is frustrating you, turn off the market. Like I said, don't listen to the idiot crypto YouTubers, including myself. At least for me, you're not going to get bullshit. I know, no one's getting a ton of views. I'm really even getting less views. Normally I get a couple hundred or 100. I'm getting like 30. That's okay. You can't make 1 or 2 videos a week and expect more than that. This is for my community that's already in here. Keep strong. It's not a worry. I'm thinking about buying most of the time in crypto is buying the bear market. Yes. So the problem, Skull, is We've never gotten out of the bull market. We had a little window, as you know, of hype up just with the ETF hype before the ETFs came out, and then it's just been a downward spiral ever since. I still hear these idiots, we're still in sideways action. This is not sideways. There's nothing sideways when your alts are down. They say 70, 80%. No, it's not true. They're thousands of percent down when something's at $3 and now it's at 40 cents or 30 cents. That's not 100%. That's not 90%. Now's the time for the strong, like myself and you, Skull, and other people like Meadow, who doesn't take a lot of risk, which is smart, to look at buys out there if you really want. Like I said, I'm hoping Bitcoin also will get slammed, but that's all right. I'll make it all up on Bitcoin if it drops down into the 40s, which it may not. Josh thinks it's going to pop right back up after it hits like 54,000. Who knows? I see it as just the same. Where there's no interest in crypto. It's just us. It has not changed. No interest whatsoever. Can you please save this live to see your answers? I have to do something, but all these lives are always saved, brother. I think they just automatically upload to the live playlist. So you be good, love you, brother. Be good, be strong. If you need anything, comment to me. I'll answer you. So have a good Friday. I'm bailing out quick. Guys, if you need anything from me, reach out. That's what I'm here for. On crypto, on investing in general, on health, on veganism. Those two last topics are the most important to me, but no one cares as much. For the person who reached out in regards to autoimmune, I haven't heard back from you. If you want help, let me know. I would say just keep accumulating dry powder. Eventually something may happen, but the bull market is not, all your crypto YouTubers that are liars are telling you that this has been just a bull market all along. It hasn't been a bear market. That's just not true. That's not how bull markets run. It's just not. So be prepared. If you have conviction, you can buy in the bear market like I do. But also I buy a shitload in the bull market. That's why you have to have dry powder. I listen to all these people who say, I have no money. These YouTubers, crypto YouTubers, they have no money to buy anything. I have $1 million sitting for crypto if I want to buy. Only thing I'll buy with that is Bitcoin. But then I have hundreds of thousands of dollars to allocate for alts. I'm pretty well diverse into alts. So let me know your guys' thoughts. I still like the projects that I'm in. It's just the market doesn't. I will tell you this. Let's talk positive for a second. If we get into somewhat of a turnaround, which it will take 170 billion volume, as I've told you, and you all know that, you will see all this shit pop so fast, you'll be like, what bear market? Because even when you get glimmers of hopes, little spots here for a week, shit goes up 100%, 200, 300%, little shit coins. Do not buy memes. That's my personal financial advice. But you'll see, if it turns around, it'll be so fast you won't even know what happened. But that will take retail, and that will take hype, and that will take a complete sentiment changing, and it'll take volume. It can happen, but it's not guaranteed. We could truly, if shit keeps hitting the fan, we could seriously continue this bear market for another 2, 3, 4 years, and all those alts that you're in, the 40 plus alts that I'm in, are fucked. So the one thing I will agree with George is Bitcoin is always a safe haven with that. But who the hell has the money to keep buying, to hold Bitcoin? Not you guys, not the majority of you. C90, yes. Metal, yes. Some of you, yes. But the majority don't. They want the alts. Then you buy Bitcoin. We'll get there, brothers. You got to reach out. Let me know what you need. Here for you. Don't take my words as pessimistic. It's not. I just don't want anyone to get hurt. Do you hear me ask for likes? Do you hear me ask for this or that? No. Or buy this or buy that. There's a Tangent wallet, I assume. I don't know if anyone's bought that or not. It's a good thing. I use it. But moral of the story is stay strong. And if it's bothering you, reach out to me. If it's bothering you, turn it off. Be good to each other, most importantly. It's Friday. Be good. Spend some time with your family. If you don't have, a wife or a husband or kids or anything like that, do something good for someone. You'll be surprised how that'll make you feel better. It's not a hippie, lippy, dippy fucking thing. It's just me saying, at 52, I know what works for me. okay? Put a smile on someone's face. Peace and love. Be good.